Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow St. John's wort from seed. First, gather your seeds, a seed tray, and a good quality seed starting mix. Fill your tray with the mix, moisten it thoroughly, and then sprinkle the tiny St. John's wort seeds directly onto the surface. Do not cover them, as they need light to germinate. Keep the soil consistently moist and maintain a temperature around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your seeds germinate, which usually takes 10 to 28 days, ensure they receive plenty of bright, indirect light. When the seedlings develop their first set of true leaves, thin them out so they are spaced about 2 to 3 inches apart. This gives each plant enough room to grow strong. Before moving them outside, gradually acclimate your young plants to outdoor conditions over 7 to 10 days. When your seedlings are ready, transplant them into a location with well-draining soil and full sun to partial shade. St. John's wort thrives with at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Space the plants 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for good air circulation and growth. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater, as they dislike soggy roots. You can begin harvesting St. John's wort when the plants are in full bloom, typically in midsummer. Use sharp scissors to cut the top 1/3 of the flowering stems. This encourages bushier growth and more blooms. You can dry the harvested parts for teas or tinctures. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homegrown St. John's wort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.